I'm preparing champurrado because Mawa is coming. Manuel's best friend. Dara's padrino. And I'm gonna let him try champurrado. Let's see if he will like because my husband, he didn't like. Almost done po ang ating champurrado. Champurrado Escabero.
No, I want accomplishment. Him.
Oh, he was crying. Well, give me one more chance to prove that I'm not the problem.
Oh.
Because he had a problem with Dara. So he told me, please, one more because I want to. Okay, this is with milk and this is without milk. So you try and then tell me which one do you
Then
like.
cut Cindy. Right?
Because this one is so
Yeah.
hearty. It doesn't like sweet kuan.
Right? No. Salty only.
Careful, it's very hot.
Jamón
Huh?
con leche te va a gustar. Si no comes jamón con leche, no.
Is
te
it too
gusta.
sweet or you need more sugar
It's very bitter.
because of the cocoa?
Yeah. It's bitter.
You need more. Do you want more sugar?
In this case,
You need to mix it. Mix.
Mix, Sanchez.
I prefer in this version.
With
More sugar.
Yeah. The same sugar, Mawa. Actually, they have the same amount of sugar. The only difference is that this one has milk.
Milk or condensed milk? What do you put?
Milk. Not condensed milk. Milk.
Okay.
Yeah, so
But
you
it's
like
better.
you like more, no? With me too. I like more with milk.
Milk is better.
Yeah, so I'm gonna give you more with milk, okay? Or I will pass it in the bigger. Blessing Ben! Blessing Ben, Zia!
Yeah, Manny.
Right hand blue.
Good afternoon, everybody! Hello from Peru, it's Rayma. Today is Wednesday. Yeah. Today is Wednesday. And then we woke up with a very crazy heartbeat. Sa pag-describe na eh. Basta gipangkuyawan me. We woke up with an alarm, with an alert. Tsunami alert here in Peru. To those who don't know, I live in Peru, here in Lima, Peru, and I live near the coast. Unida la Costa. And then, today, early in the morning, we received an alert, tsunami alert. Oh my gosh! Hope ayo. It's so stinky. I didn't know that. Look, they put a portable toilet because yesterday was the marcha. The portable toilet is still there. It smells bad. Anyway, yeah, because of the tsunami, because of the earthquake in Russia, so they also alerted us here. They closed the road for coastal, passage. They closed everything and alerted the people not to go near the ocean because of the tsunami. But until now, tranquila. Everything is good. Anyway, I'm going to the supermarket. I will buy something for our lunch. We still have visitor. Mawa is still home. And then I will prepare tuna spaghetti for our lunch today. Ano ka na? Very calm. Kalma kayo, kalma. Ang pangyayari. Ang dagat is already dito sa Picas. Dito, nga side. Oh, gano'n nakasil ilang mga bangko. 12 and 19 and 13. Nag-sale siya. Kasi smart siya, so yung mga tao, bumibili sila ng mga stall ba, tapos doon sila ginagamit nila yung bangko para makita nila yung marcha. Kaya nag-sale ang masabihan ng mga bangko. Asa naman ilang kuan ani? Ang mga dilata. Mga nanay su. Dahil sila dilata guys. Okay, it's here. Here is the tuna. Tuna, marinero trozos atun is 480. Marinero. Grated di atun. No, not grated. I don't like grated. I want filete. Filete di atun. Okay, we have 480 but trozos, yeah. Trozos, 480. I guess I'll go for this. 480 only. This is 580. Tayo sa makakasave tayo, di ba? Ito na yung pinakakuan, barato. I guess the rest, filete de cabaya. This is a tuna. Okay, 520, 560, 460. Pero this is not tuna. This is Hurel. I don't know what is Hurel. Okay, let's go for this. Hey guys, meron kasing 430 oh. Dito na lang tayo sa 430. Tapos, this is 150 grams. This is 150 grams. The other is only, this is 140 grams only. So, this is better. Our budget is 30 soles only, ha? Meron tayong budget na 30 soles. And then, kuha tayo nito. This is 320. 190 grams. 320. Tapos, 160, 145 grams. 145 plus 145 is 190, right? Ito tayo yung isa. Okay. Go na. Tapos, let's get one. This one. That's 290 or 2.5 liters. Naman to. Atun 15. 3, rato 5, 20, rato 23. Wow, meron pa tayong 7 soles, guys. I'll check if they have fruits na lang, no? Okay, mag-budget na labat sa ulo. Oh my gosh, favorite na ako. This is my favorite. Gosh. Ito ko bisa. Please lang. Because paborito ko ba ito? To reward myself from what? Yun na lang muna, oy. Kasi wala tayong anong budget. 30 soles lang yung dala ko, guys. So, next time na lang yung iba. Next time na lang. Ay, sarap talagang mamili-mili, no? Sarap mamili-mili. So, this level. Pero, kwarta rin kulang. Paano? Gusto ko talagang bumili ng ganito. Ito ba? 34 soles ra siya. I really want to buy one, but for now we don't have budget yet, so papalit daw si Manuel o bombitas. There, front. Let's see. Nakababa. So siya bombitas. Bombitas kung papas. Bombitas kay mura siya. Para siyang ano sa atin. Para siyang maliliit na shakoy. Ay, dili, oy. Dili siya maliit na shakoy. Hola. Hola, señor. ¿Cuánto está bombitas? 2 soles. Dime 2, por favor. ¿Acepta plain? Okay. Gracias. Ito bombitas. This is libre, but it's not opening. It's happening. The third elevator, if it will open. No. I think so. Baka ayaw man siya. 20th floor pa. Going home already. So we won't take lunch here. Darami, take a bath, be. Igang. Biglang umigang. Can I, Daddy? Oh, bumbitas. I will cook after giving her a bath, okay? I'll give her a bath first. Bumbitas is like this, huh? Harina, parang harina ang good siya eh. Harina ba to? Parang siyang butchi sa atin. Butchi ba yan? Yummy. It's a lazy day. Every day is a lazy day. Alam nyo ba? Na, especially pag dalawa ng anak, Ginoong ko Lord, parang wala ka ng energy. Anyway, to bring my hi everybody. We'll go out for a while because
When we're in the car.
actually, wait lang, it will open. Oh.